Hey guys, Austin Damon here. Wanted to hop on real briefly and just show you how you can utilize virtual consultations to continue to generate consult starts and keep the pipeline built during this coronavirus craziness. I'm not sure if your guys' practice is temporarily shut down or not. I know there's different pockets in different parts of the world. Um, but by the time we're done with this video, you'll be feeling like these guys, pumped, excited, ready to go. This is a phenomenal opportunity to really implement this and, make sure your practice not only stays afloat, but thrives. So just so you're aware, as I mentioned in the email, this is 100% free. There's no catch. I'm not doing this. And there's some, back end secret strategy I have. I have a lot of orthodontists in my family, and this industry is extremely close to my heart. And I admire and respect hardworking orthodontists, and I care about them and their families and this industry and all they do for others. So I want to help. My company feels a responsibility to help, and so that is exactly what we're doing. So please know this is 100% free. So why virtual consults? Well, I mean, obviously people are sitting at home. Some places are actually full on quarantine where they can't even leave their homes. And by the time you're watching this video, they could be this way across the whole nation. I mean, it's just changing each and every day. But the point is people are sitting at home. They can't come in for a consultation in many areas. The internet activity is drastically increasing each and every day. I mean, people, when they sit around, what do? Well, they go to their devices, and people are already glued to their devices, and now just even more so. And people are also used to online shopping. I mean, they're used to buying things online, having them delivered to their doorstep. So regardless of the coronavirus, whether that's happening or not, orthodontists need to be doing this anyways. This is how the industry is going to be across the board and in the years to come. You see it with the big aligner companies, and some orthodontists here and there are implementing this. Some dentists. So this is absolutely necessary. So what better time than now to implement this and generate some good consults, some good starts, and then when all this is over, you will be just one step ahead of the market, ready to go, and this will propel you for the rest of 2020, helping you crush it. So here's the process overview. Here's how it goes down. Step one, a patient visits your site. Step two, they fill out a form and they submit photos. Then the doctor or the treatment coordinator creates the treatment plan. Staff schedules a virtual consult. You execute the virtual consult. It can be on the phone or video chat. Video chat is recommended. And then you schedule either a physical consult or you just schedule the start, depending on what they're thinking. You do the physical consult or the initial appointment if they decided to start, and you give them a beautiful stinking smile. So, we are helping people implement this properly and in the correct way, so it actually does bring results. So if you're listening to this and you're thinking, oh man, this guy's all talk, blah, 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 I get sold all day long. Again, I promise this is for free. I'm contacting you again just because we want to help. I care about this industry. I care about the well-being of not only the economy, but orthodontics, orthodontic practices specifically. So there's no catch here. If you're feeling like this guy, ready to go to battle, ready to go to war during this time and make sure you continue to thrive, just hit reply and let's hop on a call and I can get you set up and get you all the information and details and everything you need. Make sure you're equipped to execute this and implement this. All right. Thanks so much for your time, and shoot me that email